So the good thing is that the bags are actually numbered. So I've sorted out the bags and you start to notice the pattern for the Voltron. So let me go ahead here and give you a close-up view of each part. So the quality of this is pretty decent. You could see how thick the manual is. And just to give you, you know, a view of the quality of the manual, it is very detailed, just like for any Lego book. Now, this came in. So let me show you quickly the end of every step, all 16 steps. So the first step is to build the body of the yellow lion here. So this particular step here is the result of step 1. Now step 2 is the head itself. So you could see just finishing building step 2. Now the step 3 is actually the hind legs. Now for my particular set, they gave me the wrong part here, so I'll be requesting the right part right on the Lego website. So this particular piece is supposed to be perpendicular, and the legs are supposed to end up like this for that one piece here. So you see where my thumb is, that one piece is a little bit reversed. But that's okay. I can actually request the part from Lego and fix that. Now, these are steps 1, 2, and 3 for the legs. Step 4 is the blue lion body. And you can see this is pretty much the body of the blue lion. Step 5 is the head of the blue lion. And you can see, you know, just some of the quality. So the quality is really good. I would say everything is very sturdy and made really well, just like any Lego. And you know, so that is step 4, 5, and 6 is the legs for the blue line. You'll notice compared to the yellow line, these legs are complete and had the right parts, whereas the yellow lion actually had 2 wrong parts. Now steps 7 and 8 is actually the torso of the black lion here and of Voltron. So this is 7 and 8, and this thing is really well built. I mean, it is as solid as hell. So you could see just the quality, and it is nicely reinforced. So that is Voltron step 7 and 8 of the black lion. Now step 9 here is the front legs, and also sort of the other shoulder and chest area. So that's step 10. Step 11 is the head of the black lion and also the wings. So actually this is step 10 here. So this is 7 and 8, this is 9, this is step 10 with the wings, and this is step 11, which is the hind legs of the black lion. And now step 12 is the red lion's body. Step 13 is the legs and head. So this is the head of the red lion. Step 14 is the green lion body. Step 15 is the green lion head and legs. And this is very similar to the red lion. And then step 16 is the sword and the shield. And this took about probably 7 hours, probably about half an hour to 45 minutes for each step. And there were 16 steps and 16 group of bags to accommodate those steps. And let me put it together and show you the end result of all of the lions and Voltron itself. So what you'll see here, what locks these legs in place and in various joints is these locking mechanisms. So let me just give you a close-up look here of the 4 different types of locking mechanisms right on the legs and also for the arms. You could see here, you know, the opposite end on the feet that really locks it in place and secures it. So this is very high quality. And for the arms, you know, there are, you know, these various joints and gears that really gives it a very good level of articulation. So this is particularly very high quality. I was surprised how stable it is. So for example, you know, just wiggling it, it's actually very stable when it stands up. And the reason being is actually in the back here. You will see that the legs actually have a lot of stability there. Now, the points of articulation here, so there is a fair degree. You know, you could, with these gears, you could turn the arm up and down. The forearm moves. You know, the head swivels. And let me just give you a close-up view here of the parts itself. So just looking at, you know, so that's the crown here. And this here is the Voltron face. What's kind of neat about it is the details here. So you could see just even the hips itself. You know, has a very good, you know, pedestal here as far as where the waist is. You know, just going back here again where the gears are. And same on this side. And just the details of it. So if you had the original metal version of this Voltron, this one is actually bigger than that. In fact, I would say it's taller by, you know, roughly an inch and a half as far as the main torso of it. You know, after building it, it is a lot bigger than what you would expect if you had the previous toy that was just the, you know, 5 lions with the metal there. And let me give another view, you know, basically from the back here. You can see, you know, the wings and the stability in the legs itself. So I would say overall, this thing was a fairly, you know, very good buy for less than half the price. And that's really what I want to show, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.